This is a quick fuel up recipe if you're in a rainforest and it's raining, or if you're just out on the road. Today we are making some sausage and egg Q muffins. In here I have some beef sausages I've just picked up from the butcher. Just making 2 muffins today. I've overcompensated with meat here, but we'll eat them later. Just going to get my knife, run down along. We're just going to remove the skin so we have that delicious sausage mince. So I'm just going to give these a quick mix up and then form them into patties. Roughly 2 sausages. Okay, wow, that is too much. Maybe we'll go 3 patties with our mixture. You can roll them up into a ball shape. Now with any patties or burgers, flat them and then put a thumb indent that will stop them puffing up in the center. Keep a nice even shape for good cooking. We've got our Q already preheating here. Cooking grill is nice and clean, perfectly hot. Pop them straight on. And we can put a frying pan onto the barbecue to preheat to cook our eggs. We'll just leave that for about 4 minutes to cook through. Once our pan's preheated, we can add a little oil and then crack our eggs on a handy dandy egg cracker and pop them straight into the frying pan. Just going to cut our muffins in half. We'll toast them on the cooking grill for a quick minute. And when our sausage burgers have a minute left to go, I'm just adding a slice of cheese. Swiss cheese straight on, and then our muffins go straight on the cooking grill. They will not take long at all. Quick toast, and that's all it is. So quick, less than 10 minutes, and you have yourself an amazing feed. Look at that, beautifully toasted. Pop them straight on. Go on with our sausage patties. That cheese has melted everywhere. Amazing. That one we'll save for later. On with our egg. Thanks, Rock. Got one well done egg, that one's not for me. And I'll have the beautifully soft, perfectly cooked egg there. Yum! On we go with a little tomato relish and we are ready. All right, this is gonna set me up for the day, I reckon. So good. There you have it, super quick, easy, and importantly delicious for when you're on the road, our sausage and egg Q muffins.